Hey guys! Oh yeah, I think this is gonna be my new look. Hey guys, it's Jordan Elizabeth Gelber and welcome back to another video. I know you're asking yourself, why is she dressed in pigtails and a Harley Quinn shirt? Because I love Mr. J. I am very sad that this weekend would have been New York Comic Con, one of my most favorite times of the year, and it is not happening because of the pandemic. But for safety reasons, of course, it's a smart decision. So in my very bad pigtails, I'm gonna keep adjusting these because, yeah. As per usual, I'm getting ready to work out. I figured today I would be in like full Harley Quinn mode. I figured today I would be in full Harley Quinn mode. For those that don't know, Harley Quinn is my favorite DC character. And I'm wearing my daddy's little monster shirt. Shout out to Bevan, my bestie, for this lovely shirt. And I figured I would do another unboxing. Dun dun dun! It's been a very magical October. I am enjoying making all this content for you. And today we have something else exciting. So I'm wearing red and I'm rocking my pigtails and I'm ready to do this unboxing. So without further ado, let's get down to business. I got a package in the mail. Make sure my address ain't on camera. Say hi to my booty popping deadlift pull from Exude. Okay, guys, I have a package. Great, so I have another box in the mail. I'm gonna open this box. I'm super stoked. I know what it is. I was gifted this and I have to share it. So I have been obsessed with Bluetooth headphones. I love it. I feel free without the wire. I feel empowered, and I also love big clunky headphones. But what's happened is that due to my iPhone and that little dingle dongle thing, I always lose those. I always can't find them. It never works, and I've literally abused my earbuds. I bring them everywhere. And I miss having big headphones. I used to rock them all the time, and of course I haven't been able to. Look at this. Look at this. Came in the mail. Thank you so much to Cowin, I think it's, I'm gonna say Cowin, headphones for gifting me these amazing headphones. I've been dying to try them out. I love it's called Headphones On, World Off. That is my perfect day. So I am excited to try these out. This company found me online and I found them online and they are E7 wireless headphones. Hell yeah. Okay, as per usual, do I have a scissor with me? No, because that would have been smart. I'm gonna get a scissor because I'm really prepared. Hold on. Is your name Jordan? Are you lazy? Find a scissor when you have like 4 in the other room? Yes, I have a hair clip. I'm gonna use this hair clip to open this box right now. Open in the box. Ba-bam. Oh yeah. Haha. MacGyver that. I'm so excited to try these headphones on. I've been dying for them to come in. I am not really a gamer, but I'm very into music. I do a lot of video editing, and I just feel like when you wear over-the-ear headphones, you really just hear the ambient sounds better. So I'm so excited to try these. And also what's cool is that my new laptop, my new MacBook Pro, is all Bluetooth wireless. You need extensions. There's no headphone jack, so I've been looking for other headphones to connect with that, especially when I'm editing, because you always like miss something, or like, I can open boxes. I'm smart. Ooh. Oh, it's a nice box. Thank you. 15 years ago, I was an audio engineer with a dream. Now more than 1,486,000 people around the globe love their Cowin headphones, soundbars, and Bluetooth speakers. Yes, soundbars are great. Those are awesome. You should check those out. From America to Zimbabwe, you can find a trusty pair of our headphones. I'd like to thank you for being part of this journey. Thank you. At Cowin, we wake up excited to bring great sound to the world. We're obsessed with finding the perfect sound and bring it to you. We design and manufacture every headphone in-house and check every headphone that leaves our company and makes a Cowin difference. We stand by our products and our brand. We offer a longer warranty than many of our competitors because we believe in doing the right thing. We've taken every step possible to ensure that you'll love your Cowin experience, but if you need anything at all, message our customer success team. or go to cowinaudio.com, COWIN audio.com. I will put that. And they'll work with you to solve any problem. You respect your privacy? Cool. It's Cowin or Cohen. Bill Cohen, Cowin. I'm so sorry if I'm pronouncing your name wrong, but thank you. That is very sweet. I love that they put a thank you note in there. I just love when brands get really personal. Being a business owner, to me, it's really important. Being a business owner to me is really important to be like pro client, pro like the experience, making sure that like you guys are trusting us, right? Like when you're watching me now, you're trusting my thoughts, my things. You're taking the time to listen to me. The least I can do is be authentic to you guys. There's a lot of companies out there that aren't that way. Oh, register now. They have these little warranty cards. I love this. I'm a sucker for good branding. Do you see that? Do you see that foiling right now? It's so hot. Oh, an owner's guide. Sweet. Notice. Maximum charging voltage. Oh, cool. See? The use of cables or attachments not recommended by manufacturer. Yeah, we will make sure we only use your stuff. I love all this. I love that it's dummy proof. How cool is this box? Can we just take a minute that I have a whole case now for my fancy headphones? I love this. Loving this. Ooh. Instructions from a Bluetooth. Ugh. One of the reasons I wore this shirt. I feel like I should be in like Japan right now on roller skates. I could be like a roller derby. Be like, how cool are these? These are awesome and they feel great. They feel so professional. Jeez. Like, these are so comfy. I love that they twist in and out. A lot of the times headphones, when they're stuck like this, they're so hard to maneuver and I'm always afraid they're gonna break. I broke more than one headphone on one occasion. These are hot headphones. They're bright red, which I am obsessed with. I feel so cool. Oh, I'm gonna wear these on the subway and no one's gonna talk to me. It's gonna be amazing. Cool. I'm probably talking really loud right now. Cool, there's an attachment. So there's a cable and there's also a charging cable. Groovy. This is cool, an aux cable. 2Z7, okay, cool, pair your headphones. I'm not gonna try them now, but I will take a picture when I try them out and it'll be great. So, wow, I can't wait to try these. These seem amazing. Thank you for the dummy proof instructions with the screenshots. I can't tell you how many times I read instructions and I'm like, what do you mean? I went to college. I feel like I should know this. What are you talking about? Cool, it works with your laptop, your computer, and your phone. Yes! Who's excited? I'm excited. So really quickly, I'm loving these headphones. I'm gonna maybe work out in them, or I'll probably ruin them. I'm gonna work out in my earbuds. I've already ruined them. But these are amazing. Oh God, and you can't hear anything. Oh wow, I love this. I love noise canceling headphones. Like noise canceling headphones make the world go round. I don't think there's a mic in them, which is fine. Off on, let's see. Cool, I'm loving this. So I'm gonna test these out. What I'll do is I will start charging these and I will do a little post about them. And I feel cute as a button. So thanks guys for watching another episode of me doing stuff and thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, engage, TikTokin'. Please, I'm really trying. Please let me feel cool like the Gen Zers because I feel so lame. And I'm wearing pigtails, so please, for me, thanks guys. Please also do me one more favor, and I promise I stop asking, but please go support a lot of local pop culture vendors who were not able to go to Comic-Con this weekend. I think it's been really, I'm gonna stop talking very loud. I think it's been really difficult for a lot of the vendors during Comic-Con to share stuff, and go support your local vendor, go support your local comic book shops, and have your own near Comic-Con time. I mean, it's almost Halloween. Dress up at home. No one will judge you. I won't judge you. I'm gonna be walking around in this all day. It's amazing I don't have a wand in my hand. I won't do it. I have like 4 next to me. I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. Thank you for watching. Bye guys.